Coming to time and work. In time and work, the concepts are groups. It means like 10 people can do a work in 20 days, that kind of stuff. Group, okay. Same type and different type. In different type, you will see that 10 men and 5 boys kind of stuff. Individuals and individual on alternate days. What's the terminology here? Generally use efficiency, rate, time and work. Okay. See, what is the relation between efficiency, time and work? Work is equivalent to efficiency into time. When work is constant, simple, when efficiency increases, the time taken will decrease. Generally in problems, efficiency will be given in terms of number of people. What does it mean? When number of people increases means automatically the group's efficiency is increasing. When number of people are more means the efficiency is more, then the time taken will be less. Okay. Now this is a general formula you use for groups problems. M1 D1 H1 by W1 is equivalent to M2 D2 H2 by W2. What is M1 here? M is number of men, D means number of days, H means number of hours, W stands for work. M stands for men, D stands for days, H stands for hours, W stands for work. If suppose hours is not specified, then what I have to consider is number of hours is constant, H1 is equals to H2. Then this formula will become M1 D1 by W1 equivalent to M2 D2 by W2. When work is constant means the product of efficiency and time is constant. D1 H1 is nothing but time. Okay, here it is time. M1 is nothing but efficiency and M2 is also efficiency. Okay, generally efficiency is in terms of men, a number of people. Okay. Now if hours is not specified, same case, if hours is not specified, then I have to consider H1 is equal to H2, then this formula will become M1 D1 equal to M2 D2. See here, 50 men could complete a work in 200 days. How many workers should be employed so as to complete the work in 125 days? Here what is given? M1 is given and D1 is given and D2 is given. We have to find M2. What is the formula? M1 D1 equal to M2 D2. So 50 men can do a work in 200 days. And how many workers should be employed so as to complete the work in 125 days? So how many men are required? I have to find this. 25 5s, 25 8s, 5 1s, 5 10s. So M2 is equals to 80. So number of days required is 80. See here, extension to the previous question. 50 men could complete a work in 200 days, working 6 hours a day. What is given? M1 is given, D1 is given, H1 is given. Now how many workers should be employed so as to complete the work in 25 days, working 12 hours a day? What is given? D2 is given and H2 is given. Okay, we have to consider W1 is equal to W2 because to complete the work, this is what is given. Now what is the formula we have to use? M1 D1 H1 equals to M2 D2 H2. What is M here? M1 50, days is 200, hours is 6. M2, what is M2? We have to find that. D2 25, H2 is 12. 25 ones, 25 2s. 2 6 are 12, 12 is get cancelled. So M2 equivalent to 200. The number of days required is 200. See here, 50 men could complete a work in 200 days, working 6 hours a day. How many workers should be employed so as to complete twice the work? Here using the word twice the work in 125 days, working 12 hours. Now what is given here? M1 is given, D1 is given, H1 is given. We don't know W1 here, we'll see that later. How many workers should be employed so as to complete twice the work? If the work you consider W1, twice the work means W2 W1, 2 times W1 because twice the work. Okay, in 125 days working 12 hours a day. Then what is the formula will become? M1 D1 H1 by W1 equivalents to M2 D2 H2 by W2. Now what is M1 is given? 50. Days is given how much? 200. H1 is given 6. Consider the W1 be W. Okay. M2, what is M2? That is what we have to find. M2 days 125, hours 12, divided by twice the work he said, so 2W. W and W will get cancels. 6 ones, 6 twos, 25 fives, 25 eights, 5 ones, 5 tens, 2 ones, 2 fours. So M2 equivalents to, if you take this 2 to the right hand side, M2 equivalents to 10 into 4 into 2, that equals to 80. Now 50 men could complete a work in 200 days. They worked together for 150 days. After that, due to bad weather, the work is stopped for 25 days. How many more workers should be employed so as to complete the work? See here how to tackle these kind of questions is after kind of stuff. Actually, if there are 50 men can complete the work in 200 days. Let us consider this is total 200 days. They worked for how many days? 150 days. They worked for 150 days. So this is 150. Still how many days of work is left over? 50 days of work is left over. 50 days of work is left over. So if there are 50 men, these 50 men can complete this work in how many days? 50 days. This is the leftover work. This is already completed work. This is already completed work. Now 50 into 50 is the work remained. But what happened after 150 days? Due to bad weather, the work is stopped for 25 days. Now the work is stopped for 25 days. How many more workers should be employed so as to complete the work in time? So they haven't worked for 25 days. Out of 50 days, they haven't worked for 25 days. But in 25 days, you have to do the remaining work, because actually they have to complete the work in 50 days. As they haven't worked for 25 days, still how many days is left over? 25 days. The 25 days I have to complete the work. It means I need extra efficiency or extra people. Okay. Now actually to complete the work in 25 days, how many men are there initially? 50 men are there. I need some more people. Let us say with workforce X is required. It's clear? 25 ones, 25 twos. So 50 plus X is equivalent to 100. X is equivalent to 50. So how many more workers should be employed? Simply 50. The answer is 50. 50 men could complete a work in 200 days. They worked together for 80 days. After that, 20 members left the group. How many workers are required to complete the remaining work? Now look at this here. Actually, they have to complete the work in how many days? 200 days. They worked together for how many days? 80 days. So 80 days of work is over. Still how many days of work is left over? 120 days of work is left over. This is the leftover. So if there are 50 men, if there is no change, this work will be completed as usual in 120 days. So 50 members can complete the work in 120 days. But what happened after 80 days? 20 members left the group. How many members were there initially? 50 men are there. If 20 members are left, the number of people will become how much? 30. In how many days they can complete the remaining work? Let us say the number of days required to be D. 31s, 34s. So number of days required is 200 days, because he is asking remaining work. If there are only 50 men, they can complete the work in 120 days. But as the number of people left, the efficiency is going down. So the number of days required will increase. So that is the reason we are getting 200 days to complete the remaining work. 50 men could complete a work in 200 days. They work together for 80 days. See here, 50 men can complete the work in 200 days. This is given 200 days. They work together for how many days? 80 days. 80 days of work is over. Okay, this is what so far. After that, 20 members left the group. The number of people has become how much? 30, because 20 members left the group. How many days are required to complete the total work? He is asking to complete the total work. If there is no change in the number of people, they can complete the remaining work in 120 days. Because already 80 days of work is over, they can complete the remaining work in 120 days. But what happened? Number of people has reduced to how much? 30. Because it is 20 member left. So 50 minus 20 is 30. And how many days they complete the work? On simplification, you will get D equal to 200. But what is the question is asking? How many days are required to complete the total work? This total work is asking. Okay, total work equivalents to this. From here to here, these 30 people are taking how many days? 200 days. Okay, but the work started here. So 200 plus 80. So to complete the total work, the number of days required is 280 days. 280 days. Okay. Now 50 men could complete a work in 200 days. They worked together for 60 days. After that, 20 members joined the group. How many days are required to complete the remaining work? He is asking only for the remaining work. Now this work can be completed in how many days? 200 days if there are 50 men. They worked together for 60 days. How many days is work completed? 60 days of work is completed. Still how many days of work is left over? 140 days of work is left over. But what happened after 60 days? After that, 20 members left the group. The number of people will become, after that 20 members joined the group, not left the group, joined the group. It means the group efficiency has increased. If it is increased, the number of days required will get decreased. Okay. Now if there are 50 men, they can complete the remaining work in 140 days. But what happened here? The workforce is increased by 20. The workforce is increased by 20. So this 50 will become 70 men. How many days they require to complete the work? 71s, 72s. Implies D equal to 100 days. 50 men could complete a work in 200 days. Same. 50 men can complete the work in how many days? 200 days. They worked together for 60 days. They worked for how many days? 60 days. After that, 20 members joined the group. How many days are required to complete the total work? Here you have to find the total work. See, you have to be careful whether he is asking for us to find total work or remaining work. Okay. Now, after 60 days, if there are 50 men, they can complete the work in 140 days. If there are only 50 men, they can complete the work in 140 days. But what happens to number of men? Number of men is increased by, join the group, increased by 20. The number of people has become 70. Now, how many days is required? So, D equal to 100. But he is asking how many days are required to complete the total work. So, total work can be completed in 160 days. In 160 days. See, the remaining work can be completed in 100 days, but when they started 60 days before, so the total work can be completed in 160 days.